I'm just trying to think, if you're allowed to go twice round, then is there any other way to get to this? I don't think you can. But you can certainly get it by going in the negative direction, negative 90, negative 180 plus an extra 6. So that's negative 186, and there are your 6 answers. I'll just do another example. Now let's do cos of theta equals negative 0.2. So you go shift, so shift cos negative 0.2. You get a basic answer of 102 degrees, but instead of tucking 102 in, I'm going to tuck a smaller angle of 68 in because it has exactly the same effect, I think. Oh no, it's 78. Okay, it's just neater to draw. Now, so there's your X-Wing Starfighter. X-Wing fighter from Star Wars, rather. It communicates exactly the same thing as 102 would have, because if you get to that fat dot, one way of doing that is 182. It's just neater because the angles are smaller. Now, these 4 possible fat dots now get cut down to 2. I can see plain as day that cos is negative, so that one's good, because in that stretch sine is positive, and cos is negative. In that one's good because in that stretch tan is positive and sine and cos is negative. I do not want those because all 3 of sine, cos and tan give positive answers there, and cos gives positive answers there. And I do not want a positive and negative because right in front of my eyes I can see a negative. Here's the permission statement. Okay, so how can I get to this fat dot? 102 is good. So in other words, swing 180, but come back 78. How can I get to this fat dot? Go 90, 180, then press on another 78, so that will be 258. And if you had to go once around the circle in the positive direction, then I think they're your only 2 answers. So, in summary, that's how you do backwards questions. If it's a question involving cos or sine, and it's 1, 0, or negative 1, just imagine how you could get to x or y coordinates of those, and your answer will be a multiple of 90. If it's not sine or cos, being equal to 0, 1, or negative 1, then do this X-Wing Starfighter position. Use this X-Wing fighter procedure. Use the calculator to fish out at least one angle. That helps you get the diagram going with your first dot. Then you form another 3 dots by tucking the angle in every possible way against the x-axis. Then of your 4 fat dots, rule out 2 of them, and then ask yourself, how can I get to those using angles that are given to you in the permission statement. If you think carefully through all the possible ways of reaching your ticked fat dots, you will get all the possible answers.